Does this shape look familiar to you? Does your head look like a triangle? Well, I'm going to help you understand why that could be possibly happening. So clearly this is a mannequin that has textured hair. It's very, very common for people with curly hair, with wavy hair, very, very thick hair to have this sort of situation to where the hair becomes very, very much like a triangle, very flat here, and it's all flared out down throughout the bottom here. The biggest reason this happens is simply because of the shape of the haircut. So when you think of a triangle, what is it? It's very pointy or it's very flat and then extends outwards, just like what you're seeing here. If I were to create a different type of shape on this mannequin head, meaning if I were to create something that's a bit more rounded, right, following the contour of the head shape, then guess what that would do? It would then be more of a fuller shape this way. Or if I were to create a shape where it was more square like this, we'd have more fullness in through here, like so. It all comes down to the way that your hair is cut. It's very, very heavy on top. If you have a triangular, you feel like there's a triangle on your head. It's very, very flat here, heavy here, and it just balloons up in through here because of the amount and the density of hair that you have, that every human has, usually throughout the sides here and throughout the bottom of the head. All of this in through here is extremely thick, and you can see it's kind of like a ramp. It's very, very flat and then just poofs out down through here. That's simply because all of this hair on top, that's laying on top of this, is just weighing itself down, and it's just bunching up down through here. There's no freedom. It's all just so much hair that it needs to have the opposite shape, okay? Again, this varies on hair texture and hair type and hair cuts, but the majority of people that I see this on are people with wavy hair, curly hair, textured hair. Now, how do you fix something like this? It's not really by utilizing, different styling techniques or products. You can try to help camouflage it by, trying to add a lot of volume into here, or maybe some teasing and backcombing or wherever you got to do to maybe create a different type of shape. That can be accomplished, yes. But the default is always going to be where it's very, very flat and, again, like that triangle shape. The best way to fix something like this, again, is throughout the haircut itself. Now, obviously, for this type of hair, there's a specific way to cut this. Everyone has their own techniques. In my opinion, what I like to do with haircuts and hair textures like this is I will cut it when the hair is in its natural state. And what I like to do is I like to actually just pick the hair up like this, and I'm looking for that shape. And what I'm doing is I'm actually creating almost like a slide cutting technique, and I'm literally just picking up the hair and feeling that weight like this. And what that's doing, it's allowing me to pretty much cut in the shape to the hair. So now I'm just going to focus on this one area, and what I'm doing is I'm just contouring it. I'm kind of like following it around the head shape like this, and this is where I'm creating all the layers is more up and through this area. And I'm just going to do this in this one section here so you can see the difference. Again, I'm doing this on fully dry hair, and I'm really just trying to contour the shape of this. Let's go right in through here. And it's basically all visual. You could see it, right? You could see where that hair is heavier, and it's all a visual process. So as I'm pulling the hair up, I'm looking for those more dry ends. I'm looking to shape those up and recreate that fullness. I'm not going to focus so much on the bottom and through here. It's really more about the top. All right, so let's see what we got here. And as you can see already, just through cutting this one shape in through here, look at all that fullness now that I've created, right? I've got all this, it's no longer very, very flat and then poofy down through here. Instead, I've got a lot more texture and volume working throughout here. It's almost like instant, as you can see. So no more of a triangular shape like this side, very, very flat. I now have created more of a rounded shape. And haircuts like this take a bit of time, right? There's a lot of hair that's kind of buried into itself, and you know, a lot of it requires really just a lot of shaping and working with the hair and following the contour of the head. And to me, I like cutting hair like this texture, this specific way. I know there could be a million different ways of people how they do it, but a lot of this is all purely visual to me. So I'm looking and I'm feeling, I'm seeing what could be done, right, to make this all balanced. And this is going to help prevent the hair from looking like a triangle. And as you can see, look at the difference. Let's get this hair out of the way. This goes on this side. And now look at the difference as far as the volume in it, right? This side, I can't do that because it just lays very, very flat. So eliminating the triangle is all about creating shape and following and contouring the head. So you're doing the opposite of what it is. So if it's triangular, maybe go more rounded, or maybe go a bit more square, depending if you want. Square would I'd be where I'm just cutting this. I'm leaving this top longer. I'm not rounding it out. That's what more of a square shape would be. But I like following a natural pattern of where the hair grows, which is out from the head. So I'm going to create a lot of fullness into here to get that volume and that shape. And to me, I think it's going to look a lot better. And let me know if you found this video helpful and you have a better understanding of why your hair might be looking like a triangle. And what do you say to your stylist, whoever's cutting your hair? Just tell them that. Say, I feel like my hair looks like a triangle on my head. It's just very, very flat here and poofs out. Don't be afraid to visually show them, saying it's very flat here on the scalp, and look at how thick it is down here, like something is off. I feel like there's too much hair on top here that needs to be cut. And that's where the hair professional can hopefully honestly feel where all of that hair is, and just simply like what I'm doing, I'm like, oh yeah, here it is all right here. I can see it. I can feel all the weight. This is what needs to happen. And they're able to execute a much better type of haircut for you and create a new shape. Let me know if you found this video helpful. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon.